Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add background music in Capcut. So first, you just have to import and drag that video or picture right here. And then in order for you to add music, there are three ways to do that. So first is you have to go to audio and then search for that music that you want. For example, music about dancing, upbeat, or everything is up to you. You just have to search for the keyword right here. For example, I'm looking for a dancing music or audio. Once you found it, you just have to click this download button right here. You have to download it first. And then once downloaded, all you have to do is to click the plus icon or drag the audio below the video. For example, like this, you can trim this and then you have to fit it to the length of the video. Another way is that you can import the audio from your device or computer. All you have to do is tap this import right here, and then you have to add that audio. And then once done, all you have to do is again drag that audio below the video right here. Let me delete this one first and then drag this audio right here. And then you can trim this, same with the length of the video. And then the very last thing is that you can add a voice over. So let me delete this one. And then you have to look this microphone icon here on the right side. And then you can now click this red button to add a voice over to this video. So basically, these are the three ways on how to add background music in CapCut PC. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.